Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today's video is not a tutorial video of logo design. Today is very special day for me because today I got my dream letter from YouTube. Tantana! Today I got AdSense letter. Finally, it's a great moment for me. It's took a long time for me, almost 1.5 months. First of all, I have applied it on 26 August, but it's not reached out to me that time. It's already 1 month left. Then I have contract with the YouTube team and they have told me to apply again. So 2 week or 4 week in between this time, but it's not reached out to me yet because they told me it's maybe cause of COVID. Then I had to apply again. And finally it's here, so I'm very excited for it. You see, it's my first time I'm getting a letter or anything from YouTube, so I'm just going to wait. Something they have sent me is a number. Okay, I'm going to just put it in my AdSense, so hold on, just let me do it first. So finally I have put my pin inside the AdSense and it's already verified. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload my new video you can watch it first. So thank you guys for visiting my channel.